Hi, my name is Steven. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like this video, smash that subscription button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use your mobile phone as your webcam. So why buy another webcam when you already have one that is even better than the one that you are going to buy? So to use your phone as your webcam, you are going to install a free app on your computer or your laptop. So go to this website called erin.com. Once you're on this website, you're going to see these three options right here. So if you're on Windows, you can download the one for Windows. If you're on Mac, you can download the one for Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows and download the one for Windows. So right here you can see that my software has finished downloading. So I'm going to double click on this to install the software. And then from here you are going to accept the agreement and click next. And then you are going to choose where you want to install this on your computer. So I want to install this on my D drive. So I'm going to change this to D over here, and then I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to click install, and you can see that my software has finished installing. I'm going to click on finish. Now all you need to do is to go to your phone, and then you're going to download the same software. Just go to the Google Play, or you can go to Apple Store, and then you're going to search for the same software that we just installed here. So search for this name right here, and then it's going to come up. So once you download it, go ahead and open the app. So I've gone ahead and downloaded the app on my Android phone, so I'm going to open the app. So once you open the app, you're going to click on continue, and once you click on continue, you can see that your camera will automatically connect to your computer. Right now you can see me on the computer. So from here, if you want to change this to a specific format, you're going to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow here, and then I'm going to change this to 920 1080p. So right now you can see that I'm using the landscape mode. So I'm going to go to the settings, and then I'm going to change this to portrait mode, and then I'm going to see how this will look like. So don't worry about the camera shaking because I'm actually holding my phone on my hand. So let me go ahead and change this to portrait mode. So I'm going to see how that will look like. So I've gone ahead and changed the camera setting to portrait mode. You see a certain icon right there on your phone. Once you click on it, you'll have the option to change this to portrait mode, or you can change it to landscape. You also have the option to use the front camera or the back camera. Also, I tried this on iPhone. On the iPhone, you don't have the option to change from the landscape mode to portrait mode. On iPhone, you only have the landscape mode, but you have the option to use your front camera or your back camera. So instead of spending money on a webcam, you can just use your phone as your webcam because it's really nice, as you can see right now. So guys, this is how you can use your phone as your webcam. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you next time.